Hearing protection. For sleeping, loud noise, concerts, construction, heavy machinery, music, and other loud environments. Also great for creating silence. Multi-purpose, can be used for sleep, travel, work, concerts, or to block external sound. Comfortable fit. Smooth, comfortable, extra soft and extra light foam that tapers to your ear canal for a custom fit. 33 decibel NRR, noise reduction rate. Latex free. Top reviews from the United States. The best earplugs in 20 years. These are amazing earplugs. I have been using earplugs for nearly 20 years because my husband snores loudly. And no, he is not overweight, unhealthy, etc. He probably could use his tonsils and adenoids removed, but tell that to a 44-year-old. Anyway, just to give you a glimpse into my life, my husband did a sleep study and afterwards the doctor said he was the worst snorer that has come to the study. If I remember correctly, the level goes to 15 and he was at 15 nearly the entire night lol. So, he's loud as an understatement. These plugs are super soft, squishy, and easy to insert because they inflate too quickly. They also don't hurt my ears nearly as much as others by the time I wake up. I'll never buy any other brand. No, I did not receive these for free.